welcome everyone to my channel. Today I'm toning my hair, and I'm toning my hair with a different product, which actually I'm really scared about because I've got my formula that I really love and I'm trying something new, so I don't know what to expect. I just want to start by saying that I'm not a professional hairstylist, you guys. I just love to experiment on my hair and just post videos, so definitely take this with a grain of salt and definitely do your research. There's a lot of professional hairstylists out there posting videos that have good information, so you can definitely learn a lot from that. But anyways, I did my highlights, which I'm not happy with the root one. I did it with a cap. I usually go with foils, but I was lazy. I was trying to rush things up, and this is what you get when you rush something. You know, take your time, definitely. And I was out of my dark toner that I used to smudge out the root because I hate this harsh, as you can see, root. I'll show maybe a video of how my root looks when I go in with a darker toner and I just smudge everything out. It's definitely like a more smoother transition. I started toning my hair with the WELLA toners, and then I switched to Redken Shade ZQ, which is my favorite toner of all times. I love it. You need a processing solution to mix this toner with. And I just absolutely love it. I've done so many videos on these toners, so if you guys, I'll link some down in the description box for you guys. So this is my ride or die, thanks to Elle Bangs. I'm pretty sure you guys know who she is. I discovered these and I've been toning my hair, smudging the root with these toners only. They're high quality. They're a little expensive, but it's definitely worth it. I'm testing these from AGEBeautiful. I really don't know what to expect. I got 3 different colors. I love to mix my toners, even with the Redken Shade ZQ. So this is it right here. I got pearl blonde, silver ash blonde, and I got the blonde beige. Which blonde beige, I'll just add a touch of blonde beige, but I think I will put a little bit more of the blonde pearl in the ash blonde, just to remove a little bit of the yellow hue that I've got going on. Instructions, since this is the first time I'm trying these, you have to apply this on wet hair, on dry hair. I've never really tested a toner that works on dry hair. Alright, so I've got the instructions here. I'm not just going to read them because I've never obviously tried these before. So for toner instructions, AGEBeautiful toners can be mixed using a bowl and brush or an applicator bottle. So mixing ratio is 1:1, color to developer. So one part color to 1 part developer. And then mix well, apply to dry hair, timing from 10 to 20 minutes, check every 5 minutes until desired result is achieved, and then rinse well after application with shampoo and conditioner. So it says to use 10 volume for more color deposit or 20 volume for less color deposit. I'm gonna go with 10 volume because I really want that pigment. I am going to put an ounce of these toners and mixed with an ounce of 10 volume developer. I am going to put 0.44 ounces of the silver, 0.44 ounces of the pearl, and just 0.22 of the beige blonde. This is what it looks like. It's very liquidy. Alright guys, so this is the final result, and I am actually very surprised because I like them. What do you guys think? The root is looking, I don't know, I don't like that. I'm sorry, it's just that I should smudge this with my toners anyways. But overall, you guys, I think I do see a difference. And I left these, like the top, for 10 minutes, and then the rest I really waited 20 minutes and I rinsed everything off. So I really left it for 20 minutes. And like I showed you guys, I went with the silver and ashy tones the most. So I mixed a little bit more of those two colors, and I added a tad of the beige blonde, and it actually did the trick, you guys. So overall, I like it. It's just that obviously you have to do your highlights, dry your hair, and then tone, which can be a little inconvenient, you know. If you bleach your hair, you know that once you wash the bleach off, while your hair is wet, you tone your hair, which is easy. I think I prefer this over the WELLA toners T18, T14, T11. I think I had a better result with this, with these toners. So I will link the 3 toners that I used down in the description box, as well as the ratios that I used. And yeah, so I don't know, I like them. I think they helped with the brassiness at the root, especially. I had more brassiness there. How do you guys like this dark pieces here? I don't know. I'm still getting used to it. If you guys want to see how I did this, I reviewed the Ion Permanent, what is it, hair color in 8 and N. And so I also reviewed this permanent hair dye because I usually do my Redken. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video.